My 100 Days of Ukulele project was driven by the book Rise Up Singing. A camp that I go to, we use this book all the time. That we'll say, what song do you want to sing? And somebody pulls out and says, Teach Your Children Well, page 113. And we all flip to that and start singing. And when I started playing ukulele, even though I could play off, like, you know, the daily ukulele tabs that tell me exactly what chords to play and when, to play out of Rise Up Singing, which has notes on what chords to use, but doesn't really talk about how they line up, was intimidating, and I didn't feel like I was successful at it. So after a couple of years of playing, I knew I was further on that path, but also my goal of the 100 Days of Ukulele project was to get more confident in my ability to just be able to open up Rise Up Singing, flip to a page, start playing, trust that I would instinctively know when to change chords. And so today I'm just going to do an experiment of just like running through a bunch of songs from Rise Up Singing and see how they go as cold reads. This is Take Me Home, Country Roads on page 150. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Virgin Mama, take me home, country road. I hear her voice in the morning hush, calls me. Radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. Teach Your Children Well on page 113. You who are on the road must have a code that you can live by, and so become yourself, because the past is just a goodbye. And teach your children well, their father's help will slowly go by. And in and on your dreams, the one they pick, the one you'll know by. Don't you ever ask them why. If they told you they would cry, just look at them and sigh, and know they love you. Today on page 228. Today, while the blossoms still cling to the vine, I'll taste your strawberries, I'll drink your sweet wine. Million tomorrows will all pass away ere I forget all the joy that is mine today. I'll be a dandy and I'll be a rover. You'll know who I am by the songs that I sing. I'll feast at your table and sleep in your clover. Who cares what tomorrow shall bring? And so on. Turn, turn, turn on page 228. To everything, turn, turn, turn. There is a season, turn, turn, turn. Turn for every purpose Roof on page 22. When this whole world starts to get me down, people are just too much for me to take. Climb right up to the top of the stairs, and all my cares just drift right into space. On the roof is the only place I know, where you just have to wish to make it so. Wade in the Water on page 63. Wade in the water, wade in the water, children, wade in the water, God's gonna trouble the water. Who are the children dressed in red? God's gonna trouble the water. Must be the children that Moses led. God's gonna trouble the water. Waltzing Matilda on 186. Once a jolly wagman camped by a billabong under the shade of a coolabah tree, and he sang as he watched, and he waited till his billy boy, "You'll come a waltzing Matilda with me, waltzing Matilda, waltzing Matilda, you'll come a waltzing Matilda with me." And he sang as he watched, and he danced upon the billy bong. "You'll come a waltzing Matilda with me, Matilda with me." Not bad, because the notation was not clear on that at all, but I think that was it, and we kept going from there. Water is Wide on page 15. The water is wide, I cannot cross more, and neither have I the wings to fly. Give me a boat that will carry true, and both shall row, my love and I. We Shall Overcome on page 63. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. When the Saints Go Marching In on page 213. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, I want to be in that number. When the saints go marching in. And when the sun refused to shine. When the moon turns red with blood. On that hallelujah day, oh, when the trumpet sounds All right, that second verse there was not only like playing along to the music, but also singing the words I've never heard before. So that went fairly smoothly given that. Okay, this is Will the Circle Be Unbroken on page 98. I was standing by my window on a cold and cloudy day, when I saw the herds come a-rolling for to carry my mother away. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's a better home awaiting in the sky, Lord, on page 179. In the town where I was born lived a man who sailed the sea, and he told us of his life in the land of Submarine. So he sailed up to the sun till we found a sea of green, and we lived beneath the waves in a yellow submarine. We all lived in a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine. We all lived in a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine. Yesterday on page 106, just a reminder that the B minor 7 chord is barring the whole 2nd fret. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came so suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something's wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Tricky, mostly there. Okay, we're going to do You're My Sunshine on page 83, and it's a good example of why I used to struggle with rise up singing. As a pretty literal-minded person, when I looked at that first line, it has D dash 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 dash, I assumed I would start playing on the D as soon as I had the other night. I actually don't really start until night. The second line, it says G dash D dash. So if I had to guess, I would have thought it was on the, I'd do keep the G for I dreamed I held, and then switch over to the D for you in my arms. Doesn't actually pace out mathematically that way. Okay. Instead, the way we're going to do it is the other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed. Oh, that's my 4th D right there, and I'm finally ready for the G. I held you in my. Now we have that D. Arms, and throw in another D. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken, and I hung my, ooh, now we're finally ready for that A, head, and I cried. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken, and I hung my head and I cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You've got a friend on page 69. When you're down and troubled, and you need some love and care, and nothing, oh, nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call That's the end of my 100-day ukulele challenge, and I'm actually pretty excited to see how far I've come, not just over the 100 days, but over like 2.5 years of playing ukulele now, that I've gone from feeling like even playing one chord and playing one song was overwhelming to being able to, grab the book, turn to page 69, and pull it off. Not perfectly, but good enough for a sing-along.